Welcome everybody, my name is Kat. I'm going to walk you through a pose called Matsyasana, also known as Lord of the Fish pose. So it's a really interesting pose. If you were to just look at it, you would think there was a lot of weight on the head, but we really don't want to put weight on our head in this pose. It's a pose where we're opening through our chest and we're putting the weight on our arms. So to start, we come on over to our back. You need to be really mindful as well of your neck and lower back and shoulders in this pose as well. So if you've got some neck issues, you might not want to do this pose for now. So we start on our back. Knees will be bent, feet flat. We're going to keep our head centered as we lift our hips, place our arms underneath our torso. My arms are straight here. And then bring your butt down onto the backs of your wrists. Now this shouldn't be painful. If it's painful on your wrists to be down on them like this, I recommend sitting this pose out at the moment. From there, we straighten our legs. Heels are pressing forward, toes are pointing up, so our toes are coming towards our face. We're gonna stay here for a breath in. Stay here for a breath out. And then as you inhale, we're pressing into our elbows, opening our chest, lifting ourselves up so our elbows bend, and then our head moves backwards. So you can see there is no weight on my head. Try not to turn it. All of the weight is on my elbows as my chest opens, my neck opens, and I get an opening through my throat here. So it can be really nice to kind of open your mouth and close it a few times here. Hence, fish pose. You can stay as long as it is comfortable, making sure there's no pain in the neck, the lower back, the shoulders. Let yourself slowly tuck your chin. Bring yourself down on an exhale. Bend your knees, bring your feet flat. There's no need to rush in or out of this pose. Lift your hips, remove your arms, and then just find a neutral space for Matsyasana. I hope you enjoyed that very short tutorial on Matsyasana. It's quite a delicious little pose, so send through any questions if you have them, and enjoy, practice safely. See you next time.